morning, everyone. I'm back with an end of week US stock update for the week ending the 1st of May 2021. I don't know where the year's gone. I know I sometimes go off on tangents, but it's just ridiculous. It's getting a little chilly in Perth as well. I'm not running the video. I'm trialing this alternative version. I'm just focusing on the Excel sheet, and I think we can get some charts up as well. So currently I am down 270.64 on the portfolio, and it's been a little bit of a roller coaster, and I know a lot of commentators talk about that as well, but it's been, I was up, I closed at around 65.7K USD on the account. So at the peak I was up nearly 68 this week. So again, as you can see, there's been no changes made. A couple of concerns still remain with TTCF and GNOG, but I guess I haven't really found anything spectacular to get into, and I am going to have to absorb the loss on TTCF. It is what it is. So I've come to realize that, and other than that, really, I mean, let's go through the list here as well. So we've got Tesla was a strong performer, good earnings, Apple as well. These two I'd like to continue holding. These are longer term. NGA, I'm still in that as well. Looks like they're going to have a successful merger from what it looks like with the meeting developments. GNOG, again, this is a very speculative play. It looks like DraftKings is really making some moves, and GNOG is sort of lagging behind. We'll see what happens. PaySafe, this was originally BFT as a SPAC, so my only SPAC holding is NGA. I added into Tesla at 639. 750 seems to be a bit of a ceiling on Tesla right now, so we'll just see what happens with that. Media's continuing to beat it down a little bit. It's something that I'm going to continue holding though, and I'm happy to hold. Tattooed Chef is a alternative meat product company. Got in at 26, which was near 29 was the high, and then obviously we had a little bit of a pullback in growth stocks and in general in the market. So we'll see what happens with that one. But Tattooed Chef is something really. I mean, it's not just the P&L. It's more. It's pre-revenue. So we'll see what happens. There's CFO left as well recently, but we'll see. It's off the lows. I think it closed at 17 high, got down to 15 recently. We've got Square that's up a little bit for me. Seagrow was an in and out play on LiDAR technology. I got out of this one. The reasoning I got out of it, this was, I think, in December. I just didn't understand enough about the company, so I got out with a small loss on that. NGA has been a nice one for me. I got an 1120, 300 shares. I still hold 97 shares. So that's been pretty good. I mean, if I look at that now, with the unrealized and the realized, it's been pretty good. I mean, it makes up for Tattooed Chef, and I added into Apple as well at 132. So I actually hold quite a little bit of Apple shares, to be honest. Now I'm having a look at it. Tesla as well. I added, so we've got 3. So Tesla's actually, I don't own a great deal of Tesla compared to Apple. PBW10, I got into these a bit late into the cycle. A friend of mine, Jackson, and I were talking about this, early on in the lead up to the election. I mean, PBW and 10 are longer term holds. I'm going to keep these going. And then ARKK ARKG. The sizing for this was probably aggressive, but I'm going to continue holding these as well. So, you know what? Let's get the charts up. I've been tweaking around with the audio, so hopefully that's coming through okay. So let's just come through here. We had Amazon. Or is it just A? AMZN. I always forget that ticker. So Amazon had great earnings, beat the street, predictions. You know, I think my plan would be to roll out a GNOG and to roll out a TTCF and to go into, let's have a look at Disney. I like what Disney are doing as well. If we go to the weekly chart, you know, it's hit a high of over 200. It's pulled back a little bit, so there's probably an opportunity there. Market ended a little bit red yesterday as well, especially in the tech sector, just with China talking about further regulation tightening and scrutiny. So we'll see what happens there. Microsoft as well. I saw that move lower, and to be frank, I don't think it was. I think it was overdone. So Microsoft, I see some potential here as well. Might even see some more selling. Just having a look at that daily chart, we've got 245 there. So I might have a look at that. And sometimes you just got to, you know, take your medicine. And I think me taking my medicine is going to be rolling on a loss. And you know, I've done that in the ASX. I haven't done an ASX video in a little while. I think I will do that next. And stay tuned. I've got more filming equipment as well. I've got a decent camera, a green screen, and the software I use is Camtasia. It's not too bad. It's not that expensive. So if anyone's watching this and they're wondering, that is what I use. But you know, these are my thoughts. I'm just, you know, throwing a few things out there. I saw skills. Jack goes in this as well. Let's see. SK. If I can. What are these? It's not coming up. There it is. What did I? SKLZ. So this one, I think they do gaming. So this is looking pretty good as well. Kathy Wood is accumulating here. So this is actually, but it's all tech. I really probably need to diversify a little bit. And like I said, you know, you've got to learn from these lessons. So anyway, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope everyone has had a great week and you enjoy the weekend. Review your trades. Flick me a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And always remember, if you've got feedback or anything, just leave me a comment and I'll get to it straight away as well. Thanks, guys. Bye for now.